Here's how to set up two-factor authenticator on Zoom, fast and secure. First, go to zoom.us and sign into your account. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select account settings or profile depending on your account type. From the left-hand menu, click security, then scroll to find two-factor authenticator. Click enable 2FA. You'll now choose your method, either an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or SMS verification. For better security, choose the Authenticator app. Open the app on your phone, scan the QR code displayed by Zoom, and enter the 6-digit code it generates. Once verified, Zoom will ask if you want to download backup codes. Save these in case you lose your phone. That's it. Now whenever you log in, Zoom will require a code from your phone, adding an extra layer of security. And that's how you set up a 2FA on Zoom. Quick, simple, and essential. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.